Hey guys, if you're getting the Windows 11 error code 0x800704F8, don't panic. This error is usually related to Windows Update services being disabled or blocked. You will mostly see this error when checking for updates, and the good news is it can be fixed without reinstalling Windows. We'll fix this by re-enabling update services and repairing system files step by step. First, press Windows R, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Update, then double-click it and set the startup type to Automatic. If the service is stopped, click Start and then click OK. Now, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, also called BITS. Double-click it, set the startup type to Automatic, and start it. Once the services are running properly, close the Services window. Now let's reset the Windows Update files. Press Windows R, type C Windows Software Distribution, and press Enter. Delete everything inside this folder. These are temporary update files, and Windows will recreate them automatically. If Windows refuses to delete some files, restart your PC and repeat this step before continuing. Next, press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/ScanNow and press Enter, then wait until the scan reaches 100%. If SFC reports that it fixed errors, restart your computer. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again and type DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter and let it complete fully. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Once DISM finishes, restart your PC again to apply the repairs. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. In most cases, this error should now be completely resolved. If you're still seeing the error, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus software and try updating again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.